Winter camping. Sounds fun, but the cold can make things real tough. Plus, heating equipment are not perfect and can be burdensome. We kept thinking about how, if there was a simple way to sleep warm at night outdoors, then outdoor activity could be made so much safer. And now, we present to you BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro. BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro is the world's first power-generating heated water mattress. No more waking up in the middle of the night freezing cold. Plus, there's no chance of burns or gets too hot either. It uses gas to heat up the water. The pump keeps the water flowing. And burner and power pot keep hot to fight off the bitter cold. BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro heats up mattresses from single size to king sized. You can also hook up BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro to chair or other device to keep you warm while you're out fishing or doing any other outdoor activity. BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro's design is remarkably simple. With just a tripod, main body and mattress, there's not much you need to carry around. For gas, you can use any isobutane or propane gas you can find at any camping supply retailer. So just bring gas and water, and you won't need any other things for warm sleeping. Because the hot water pump powers the thermoelectric generator, giving you access to electricity. That means you can also power up your USB devices, lights, and phones. BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro can charge them all. BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro is a danger-free product. If someone accidentally knocks it over, the safety valve automatically cuts off the supply of gas, guaranteeing safety outdoors. Plus, we've also added a recovery feature to the safety valve, and the sensors notify you when the water's running low or overheating. So now you can stay toasty while you camp and rest worry-free. We racked our brains trying to find a lightweight and compact outdoor heating solution to use while you sleep. So you'll be able to experience how BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro reimagines the winter camping experience firsthand. If our campaign is a success, we aim to get you your BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro by the coming winter. Stay warm while you camp, even in the winter. BLACKCAN Ⅱ Pro.